What is up, guys? It is Claw Destroyer. Today I'm going to be trading my Chroma Ginger Blade to my good friend Arshapio. So basically, he wanted me to I want to trade him because I'm running out of God Leash to give away, and I really want to give back to you guys. So So yeah, I'm gonna trade him for Clockwork, Slasher, Saw, Tides, Red Luger, Xmas, Battle Axe 2, Ginger, Luger, Bone Blade, and Jamstone. So I'm gonna trade my juicy Chroma for that. I know I'm using it's supposed to be downgrading, but I'm gonna give away my Chroma for a bunch of stuff so I can give back to you guys because I really want to be able to do more giveaways like this, because like I said, I've been wanting to do more and more giveaways. That way I can get more subs and you guys can support the channel. Okay, so that is okay. So once he accepts, so there is Bone Blade, Clockwork, Battle Axe 2, and Ginger Luger. Okay, so I'm gonna accept those. So bam, 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 and then I go to other trade. So now, so I got the big guns. Now he gave me Bone Blade, I think. So another trade. Things being laggy. Things being laggy. But yeah, so far he has given me the. I think these were all Halloween. Yeah. Come on, man. Let's just shoot this guy. Oof. That was not it, but it's okay because I'm trying to trade. So I just need Red Luger, Xmas, Gem, Saw, Tide, Slasher, Spider. So it should be those. It looks like we're headed to my VIP. Let's join VIP. Oh yeah. So far he's given me the items that I've said. He wants me Spider, Gem, Xmas, Red Luger, Tide, Saw, and Slasher. Saw, wait, Slasher, Saw, Tides, Red Luger, Xmas, Spider. washer, eyes, elevator, actually, so it's just spiders and check the list. So spiders. So alrighty.